So what difference do you see in British versus American university?
See, the American system and the amount of money that they've poured into education and the way they're constantly innovating, the kind of money that America puts into research, 70% of today's careers will be completely obsolete in the next 5-6 years. तो फिर आप तो वो घिसे पिटे जो सुने नाम है आपने वही चूज करा रहे हैं अपने बच्चों को, और बाय द टाइम दे ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम द कोर्स वो करियर ही नहीं रहेगा, फिर क्या करोगे? बेसिकली लुक एट योर चाइल्ड्स कि आपका बच्चा का टेम्परामेंट कैसा है। जब पढ़ाई नहीं करता है तो वो क्या करता है? हाउ डज ही और शी स्पेंड हर टाइम?
Very important.
वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ये फैक्टर एक माँ या बाप ही कर सकते हैं।
How to choose a good career counselor?
वेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड वेरी इजी।
I love that.
आपका बेटा फुटबॉल, ही इज अ फ्रीक। शायद इंडिया में फुटबॉल का इतना
अभी नहीं
scope
है,
ना
अभी
हो। Today the careers around sports are so huge and so many. You could be a sports analyst, you could be a sports commentator, you could be a sports marketer, you could be in sports management, very very big field.
What is the right age for a parent to consult a counselor for their child?
Even if you come in class 10,
It's
you're
good.
not late. हमारी जो medical entrance exam है NEET, it's based on the CBSE curriculum. So एक IB का बच्चा वो cope नहीं कर पाएगा.
Really? Which career to choose for your child? Big question. The bigger question, which career counselor to choose? Ladies and gentlemen, I am sitting today with India's leading career counselor and someone who's my favorite too, Parvin Malhotra. Parvin ji, thank you so much for joining us.
Lovely introduction. You're my favorite too.
My pleasure. Thank you so much. Parvin ji, my first question for you is not related to career, but I think the most important thing, how to choose a good career counselor.
How to choose a good career counselor? Very difficult and very easy.
I love that.
डिफ़िकल्ट बिकॉज अगर आप मीडिया में जाएंगे और सोशल मीडिया पे देखेंगे तो देर आर सो मेनी
It's a
सेल्फ
tsunami.
स्टाइल्ड
It's a tsunami out
yes
there.
yes
Yes.
absolutely, you know, very polished and all of that, but end of the day जैसे आप डॉक्टर चूज करते हैं ना या सर्जन, अगर मेजर सर्जरी करानी है तो यू विल नॉट जस्ट गो टू एनी बॉडी जस्ट बाय रीडिंग द नेम और क्वालिफिकेशंस. नो, यू विल ऑलवेज गो बाय रेफरल्स.
Yes.
What other people, word of mouth, what other people have
You
told
do your
you,
homework,
suggested.
yeah.
ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. Number 2, also look at how long. Don't just look at qualifications कि you know MA psychology किया है या फलाना ढीकना counseling का course किया है कहाँ से. No. Important thing is how long has that person been in
the profession.
In this profession.
Yes.
What have they written? Have they published articles? Are they on, have they done interviews? Are they quoted in the media? Whatever. So look at their body of work over a period of time. फिर तसल्ली हो, then go and speak to them first. You don't have to sign up. Just
Correct.
make a cold call, speak to them. आपको automatically अंदर से घंटी बजेगी कि ये सही है या just selling me a
Yes.
counseling session.
So I'm going to pick up from the same word that you said, the very word that is selling. Nowadays, we feel that there are a lot of career counselors who get these commissions from, for referring
they're
universities.
Agents. They are agents.
They're agents, exactly.
Absolutely.
So how can one identify that? As a layman,
हाँ, ये normally ये ज़्यादातर होता है when you are looking at a counselor for studying abroad. It also happens for private colleges in India, but much more for studying abroad.
Right.
You know, because you don't have a clue, you go to them and you will find that they will. You may go with a list of your own, but they will suggest X, Y, and Z. You know, and I have come across several such. जो student after student comes with only a list of those 2-3.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah. So automatically आपको
ये
click करता है कि भाई ये तो कुछ मामला ठीक नहीं है.
Right.
You know?
Right.
Because एक तो ये भी बात होती है कि जो top universities है ना, वो तो कभी ना तो कमीशन देंगे ना तो एजेंट्स को एंटरटेन करेंगे. Because they have thousands, sometimes lakhs of students
Correct.
applying, उनको कोई shortage नहीं
Right,
है.
right.
It's the B grade and C grade institutions which need, you know, people from here and from China and from Vietnam and from Thailand and from all these places.
Right.
तो वो लोग, they give these agents very tempting commissions
Right.
to recommend.
Now
students.
again, see, you just said A, B, C categories. So A category, how can one identify that these are A categories or B or C? I mean, as a
वो तो
parent,
बहुत easy है.
as a parent, I just have to go on online or whatever.
No,
what is the
but
right?
even when
Yeah,
you go
even
online,
then you are sometimes
only
in a
when
blind
you
spot.
go online, you look at rankings. Number
Okay.
one, look at current year's ranking. Don't just say top US universities. It's an ocean.
Oh.
Top US universities for undergraduate courses in liberal arts. You have to be that
Specific.
You know, a university may be very highly ranked, but the undergrad courses may be, you know, the professors would be busy doing research or teaching the PhD students or guiding them, or the masters. Bachelors वालों को तो वो ध्यान भी नहीं देंगे. In fact, they might use the master's student, postgraduate students to teach the bachelor's degree students. So you have to be very careful that when you're looking at rankings, you look at the specific ranking for that particular course at that particular level.
Oh.
Undergrad, postgrad, what degree. That's very,
Very
important.
important.
Very
Very
important.
important. Okay, so now
And also, never look at just one ranking. Never. Look at 2 or 3 rankings. You know, उससे आपको अंदाज हो जाएगा. कहीं, if some in one ranking the college you want is at number 7 and in another it is number 5, that is no reason to choose the number 5 one.
Correct.
You know, ये थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है. Then also, the very, very important thing is the criteria on which the ranking has been done.
And what's the criteria?
Criteria is like this, that typically जो universities बहुत सारे courses offer करती है ना, जो colleges, wide assortment of courses, that gives them a higher ranking in the ranking order.
Okay.
All right. Number 2, the university which offers a lot of PhD degrees, or the teachers, जो professors हैं, उनके papers have been published in established journals. अब आप bachelors के लिए जा रहे हैं, आपको इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप हाँ मास्टर्स के लिए जा रहे हैं या PhD के लिए जा रहे हैं, तब तो ये these are very important criteria. But say for the bachelor's level, this criteria does not really matter.
Okay.
But when it comes to rankings, ये पैरामीटर्स वो बहुत यूज़ करते हैं. एंड दैट इज़ वाई वेरी ऑफन हम कहते हैं ना कि हमारी इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ इन रैंकिंग्स में, वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग्स में नहीं आती. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द रीजंस, क्योंकि आप टीचर्स, द प्रोफेसर्स इन आवर यूनिवर्सिटीज़, दे आर बिजी टीचिंग द स्टूडेंट्स. दे आर नॉट बिजी पब्लिशिंग पेपर्स एंड अटेंडिंग कॉन्फ्रेंसेस और यू नो पब्लिशिंग देयर थीसिस एंड ऑल इन वेरियस जर्नल्स. तो ये अगर नहीं है तो रैंकिंग में वो डाउन हो जाता है.
But I think in the hindsight, it's a good thing because they're focusing more on educating
Yes,
children.
absolutely. Now, postgraduate level पे लिए it may matter, but undergrad level पे it doesn't matter. So, पर हमारी तो वो कॉलेज की रैंकिंग नीचे, हमारे IIT की भी रैंकिंग नीचे चली जाती है for this reason. Plus, suppose a particular IIT is offering only 20 courses as compared to say an American university or some other university which is offering 200 courses. You know, तो आपका वित्त कम है, again you come down. So you know all these factors make a difference. तो आपको बहुत बारीकी में जाना है, ये ऊपर ऊपर के नंबर 1 2 3 नंबर 1 2 3 देख के नहीं.
It's just, so you carry a vast experience of 30 plus years. Precisely 35 if
Maybe,
I'm not.
yes, something 35 40 has
35
stopped
40,
counting.
right? So what difference have you seen in terms of Indian universities? I think they've really upgraded themselves, or it's the other way around.
Both, but yes, a lot of them have pulled up their pants. Particularly what I have seen is that say 30 years ago, private universities were considered very down this thing. You went to them only if you didn't get into the you know the government ones like Delhi University or Punjab University or any of these. But today the private universities, many of them have overtaken these sarkari universities, because in order to be competitive and stay in the market, they have to be very advanced, they have to be one up, their curriculum has to be state of the art, updated. अब यहाँ क्या होता है कि अगर गवर्नमेंट यूनिवर्सिटी होती है और उनको अपना सिलेबस चेंज करना है, जो उनको करना चाहिए, पर वहाँ the procedure is so long. They have to make proposals, then
and it'll
the
take
committee,
years. It's
then
like the pay commission that's
हाँ,
there.
फिर एक कमिटी आएगी, वो उनको निक्स करेगी, फिर वो फिर से करेंगे, फिर वो फिर से कुछ उसको करेंगे मॉडिफाई. By the time that blessed course comes, everything is outdated, you know. Whereas a private university को इस तरह के restrictions नहीं होते. They have to, you know, अगर इंडस्ट्री में आज कुछ नया है, नया सॉफ्टवेयर, नया this thing, they will include it in their course.
Yes.
They don't have these. Yes. So that is
That's
one
an
big
advantage.
difference. That's
Yeah.
one big difference. Although it would be unfair to say that the government universities have not evolved. They have evolved, but very, very so slowly. Oh, so slowly. They're still extremely rigid. They are very, very inflexible in terms of offering subject combinations to students. They're very marks based, this based, that based. अगर आपने ले लिया और अगर आप second year में आपको लगता है कि मैंने गलती कर दी, can I, you know, switch? Oh my God, so difficult, almost impossible.
Yes.
Whereas private universities do tend to be
Little
a
more
little more flexible,
yeah.
But of course foreign universities, especially the American ones, not the British, they too are extremely flexible.
Really? Oh, let me pick it up from here. So what difference do you see in British versus American universities?
See, our education system is cloned on the British system.
Absolutely.
Okay? So वो
even our law is everything.
So it's milta julta.
Right.
Maybe the quality is somewhat higher and whatever, but the American system and the amount of money that they've poured into education and the way they're constantly innovating. So when it comes to technology, especially fields of medicine, technology, etc., they are very, very advanced.
I want to know, etc. means medicine, technology,
even design.
Okay.
Many of the engineering fields.
All right.
Because they put in the kind of money that America puts into research
Huge.
is incomparable with anywhere else. I don't know about China, but anywhere else in the world, whether it's India, whether it's UK, even it's far, far ahead. So that is the other thing. So jitna research hoga, jitna depth mein jaoge, utna aap, you will be able to offer that quality of education to the students. And then the sheer flexibility of and the wide. So यहाँ UK में, India वगैरह में क्या होता है, we box the student. Box the student means अगर वो student commerce कर रहा है, nothing to do with science, nothing to do with arts, nothing to do with design, nothing to do with literature.
Right.
You know, उसको हम
compartmentalize कर देते हैं, बिल्कुल, हाँ.
जबकि वहाँ you can study engineering with philosophy, and you can study in science with theatre, or with sociology, or with public policy, or with law. So you know, it just opens.
It opens up a lot of avenues for you. Brilliant.
And in an age where everything is multidisciplinary, you know, this is very important. At least at the outset, when a student is, you know, starting college, उसको 360-degree exposure होना चाहिए. An idea can come from anywhere, regardless of what field you are in.
Correct.
पर आप तो शुरू से ही
unidirectional
और unidimensional हो गए, तो आपको कहाँ से नए ideas? How will you think out of the box? आपका तो box एकदम stringent हो गया.
Absolutely.
Hard distinct हो गया.
But this, I think the most important question that is about one word that suddenly has erupted. I think I'd say 10-12 साल पहले हम नहीं इतना सुनते थे, but now I think a lot of focus and money also. I will not say even spent. It flows. Money flows into profile building. How do you see that?
Profile building is only required for two kinds of courses. One is if you're going abroad, and abroad also more if you're going to US, and at the postgraduate level, of course, but even at the bachelor's level, to get into the Ivy Leagues and the top universities,
Right.
they look at your profile. Second place where you really need profile building is for design courses.
Oh, okay.
You know,
I
where
mean,
you have to
what you've
create
done.
your portfolio.
Portfolio.
You know, whether you're going into performing arts, whether you're going into visual arts, you need to show them what is profile building or portfolio building. It is proof of evidence of your interest and aptitude for that particular field which you're going to choose.
That you're talented enough
Yes.
to be there.
Yes.
And at what age, if we talk about Ivy Leagues, what age should we start building on
It's
our
a
profile?
very competitive because scenario.
it is.
Because Ivy Leagues mein, it's not just Indians, no. There's Chinese,
Yes,
there's British,
yes,
there's
yes.
Australian, there's Canadian,
Right.
and of course all Americans.
Yes.
You see, so the competition is acute. तो acute competition में आपको भी acutely hardworking और different होना पड़ेगा. तो the
Ideally.
sooner you start.
Ideally, which sooner
At class 9 से.
Class
But that doesn't mean कि you start only preparing for the SAT and those things. आप अपना profile कि आप you know because all American universities particularly they are looking at कि अच्छा पढ़ाई तो कर रहे हो, marks तो score कर रहे हो.
और
हमारे इंडिया में तो सब लोग 90 और 90 प्लस
ले ही
लाते
जाते हैं।
हैं बाल्टियाँ भर भर के. तो पर लेकिन किताबी कीड़ा होने के अलावा आप what else do you bring to the table? What are the other dimensions to your personality? Do you read? Do you play sports? Are you concerned about people and environment and things around you? And if you are, what exactly are you doing? I mean, are you putting your money where your mouth is in the sense that what is the proof?
Right.
आप सब डाल देते ना. I went to blind school. I did this
Community service again is the new,
community
yeah.
service in
Yeah.
quotes. उनको पता है. These are all quotes.
This is what I really wanted to know. Yes, I think when it comes to community service, I think they're smart enough to know कि क्या
Because
standalone चल रहा है,
and
क्या
ये जो
actually-
agents है ना,
Right.
वो आपको पैट फॉर्मूलाज दे देते हैं
Right.
जो आप कॉपी करके सारी कॉलेजेस को भेजते हो.
Right.
दे कैन स्निफ
Sense it.
अ फेक लाइक दैट. यू नो लाइक उनका तो काम ही है ना रात
Right.
दिन उसको ये करना. वही वर्ड्स, वही चीज़, वही कम्युनिटी सर्विस, वही ट्री प्लांटिंग, वही ब्लाइंड स्कूल में पढ़ाया, वही फलाना ढिकना. आपने यू नो इवन इफ यू हैव कोच्ड योर मेड्स चाइल्ड एट होम, you know, or you have provided a little shelter for the dhobi in your colony who is ironing in the hot sun, or you found a little way of making life easier for the kuda wala who comes or anything, you know,
Yeah.
that is better community service than, you know, going to NGOs and, you know, volunteering. And many of these NGOs now take money to have you work with them so that they can give a certificate.
Another way of
हाँ,
yeah.
yeah.
So this is the right.
Yes, आपको genuinely होना चाहिए. There should be a genuine concern. You should have researched about it, not done what 10 other people are doing. You know, कि I planted 20 trees. After that, did you take care of those saplings? कि आपने बस plant कर दिए, मम्मी माली को बोला कि इधर से ले आओ और उसको आपने लगा दिए.
Right.
और एक महीने बाद तो सारे मर गए. आपने उनको nurture किया. What is your understanding of those plants? What have you learnt from sowing them in the right season, in the wrong season? You know, so even simple things like that. आपका you know, I have this boy over here, very fond of dogs. You know, so वो observe करता रहता है. बड़ा sensitive बच्चा है. Observe करता है कि आज मेरे कुत्ते के ना गला ऐसे झुका हुआ है, तो क्या वो तो बोल नहीं सकता, तो क्या उसके कान में प्रॉब्लम है कि कहाँ उसको प्रॉब्लम है. जानवर बोल नहीं सकता. सो ही हैज़ नाउ devised a little device, a little gadget which any dog owner can put on his dog's collar, जिससे constant temperature monitoring,
Oh, that's
heartbeat
amazing.
monitoring, and you know certain उसका breath analyze कर लेना, उससे पता चल जाता है. And simple things like that. You know, so now this shows
This
real
is actually
concern.
community
Yes,
work.
this
if
is
you ask.
actually
Yes.
You know, you're
Otherwise, I think
concerned.
it has become the
Yes.
latest fad is community
It's you're
service.
ticking a box.
It's,
You're
yes.
ticking a box.
And they're smart enough.
They
They
are
will
very
know.
smart. They are very smart.
And then we'll say, हमने तो इतना पैसा खर्च
हाँ.
दिया, काउंसलर को इतने पैसे दिए, still we could not get through.
बिल्कुल. And now these counselors don't come cheap. They charge you lakhs.
Yeah,
Goes up to 20, 25, 30 lakhs.
Unbelievable.
You know.
Unbelievable. Yes.
And then plus the cost of applying to each college,
each college.
plus the cost of taking your A levels and this, that, and the other exams. You know, it's not an easy thing.
Right. So I have two questions hovering my mind right now. We flow with the conversation. So the first one is, ideally, what is the right age for a parent to consult a counselor for their child?
सी अगर करियर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जाना है और इंडिया में मोस्टली इंडिया में पढ़ना है बिकॉज इंडिया हैज़ फैंटास्टिक अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड स्पेशली एट द अंडर ग्रेड लेवल, तो फिर आई वुड से यू कम इवन इफ यू कम इन क्लास 10 यू आर नॉट लेट. यू आर नॉट लेट बिकॉज क्लास 10 के पहले बच्चों के करियर इंटरेस्ट हैव नॉट सॉलिडिफाइड. यू नो, वो घर स्कूल जाते हैं, घर आते हैं, स्कूल जाते हैं, घर आते हैं. अब स्कूल और घर के दरमियान दे डोंट नो व्हाट्स available in the world of work.
Right.
I mean, there is a small test which I give children, which measures a child's interest, temperament, aptitude, ability against 3,540 careers.
Oh.
अब कोई भी बच्चे को इट्स अ चैलेंज, या पेरेंट को, आप स्टार्ट काउंटिंग एंड नेमिंग करियर्स. आप 50-60 के 50-60 भी बहुत है,
बहुत,
उसके
वो hardly,
आप नहीं जा
hardly,
पाएंगे.
yes.
तो अगर आपको नाम भी नहीं पता तब तो उस करियर में काम क्या होता है वो तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता. तो फिर आप क्या डिसाइड करेंगे और किस बेसिस पर आप बच्चे को गाइड करेंगे. सो नंबर 1 दैट इज़ द थिंग. नंबर 2, अब जिस पेस से करियर्स चेंज हो रहे हैं और ऑब्सोलीट हो रहे हैं बिकॉज विद AI कमिंग इन, you know,
obsolete is again the word now.
Every 3-4 years careers become obsolete. They say that 70% of today's careers will be completely obsolete in the next 5-6 years. तो फिर आप तो वो घिसे पिटे जो सुने नाम है आपने वही चूज करा रहे हैं अपने बच्चों को, और बाय द टाइम दे ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम द कोर्स वो करियर ही नहीं रहेगा. फिर क्या करोगे? यू नो, सो इतना अभी सवाल ये नहीं पूछना है कि क्या, कौन सा करियर, कौन सा जॉब, कौन सा पोजीशन. बेसिकली लुक एट योर चाइल्ड्स कि आपका बच्चा का टेम्परामेंट कैसा है.
राइट.
यू नो, जब पढ़ाई नहीं करता है तो वो क्या करता है, हाउ डज ही और शी स्पेंड हर टाइम.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट,
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
जो कि टोटली निगेट हो जाता है, इग्नोर्ड हो जाता है,
बस मार्क्स
अंडर वैल्यूड हो जाता है.
बिल्कुल,
एब्सोल्युटली.
बिल्कुल. तो वो बच्चा जब पढ़ता नहीं है तब क्या करता है? कोई बच्चा होगा वो किताब पढ़ेगा, कोई पोइट्री लिखेगा, कोई ड्राइंग पेंटिंग करेगा, कोई फुटबॉल खेलेगा, यू नो, कोई सोशलाइज करेगा, कोई ऑफ कोर्स सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर ब्राउजिंग करेगा, विच अ लॉट ऑफ द किड्स डू. सो यू नो, ये सब फैक्टर्स भी ध्यान में रखना बहुत. एंड ये फैक्टर एक माँ या बाप ही कर सकते हैं. टीचर नहीं करेगी इन अ क्लास ऑफ 45 स्टूडेंट्स.
राइट.
यू नो, हाउ इज शी टू नो?
Yes.
और उस बच्चे का टेम्परामेंट कैसा है, बच्चा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है कि डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, इंट्रोवर्ट है, एक्सट्रोवर्ट है, एम्बीवर्ट है, क्या है. अ पेरेंट नोज. यू नो, सो यूज दोज इनसाइट्स एंड डोंट लुक एट मिस्टर जैन एंड मिस्टर गुप्ता एंड उनका बेटा क्या कर रहा है, उसका कहाँ एडमिशन हो रहा है. यू नो,
I think parents' instincts here are very important.
Very important. March to your own. Each child must march to his or her own drummer. You know, even twins होते हैं, उनमें भी कितना फर्क होता है.
Correct.
You know.
बिल्कुल.
तो what to say of your Mr. Jain and Mr. Gupta? You know.
Yes, the peer pressure actually is catching up.
बहुत ज़्यादा पेरेंट्स
yes.
के ऊपर. And you know what?
And they rub it on their children like crazy.
Terrible. Do you know 10 साल बाद जब आपका बच्चा look back करेगा, do you want him to look back and say that my elders, they only this thing infused my life with fear and said safe career चुनो, secure career चुनो, ये तुम कर रहे हो, इसमें फिर तुम्हें job नहीं मिला तो क्या होगा, तुम्हें salary अगर इतनी मिली तो क्या होगा? Is that what you want your children to remember you by, or that you gave them strength and you said be bold, try, कोई बात
Yes.
नहीं, fail करो, फिर try करना. You
Right.
know, that is what
That
life
is the
all
right
about.
approach. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, coming to my
बच्चे, so parents अपनी insecurities बच्चों पे थोपते
थोपते हैं, बिल्कुल.
you know,
Yeah.
inadvertently.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not,
Which is-
they don't mean to, but inadvertently निकल ही जाता है
निकल ही
मुंह
जाती
से,
है, बिल्कुल.
you know.
बिल्कुल. My next question is that I had in my mind is that I often have this big fight with my husband. Now, I think a lot of kids now in India, पहले एक टाइम होता था कि क्रिकेट रिलीजन होता था, but they are shifting to alternate professions, careers and games as well, most
yes.
importantly. Like my son plays football. So my husband says, अरे तूने उसको फुटबॉलर बनाना है, इंडिया में तो अभी करियर ही नहीं है, वो नहीं है. But I feel, you know, I think I really need to know from your side, you know, being my favorite career counselor, and you know, when I say favorites, because I know the kind of experience that you carry, and in today's world when the commercial word is in capitals, you know, you talk from heart, you actually guide people right. So I really need to know, like I always tell my husband that कि स्पोर्ट्स कोटा भी तो है, स्पोर्ट्स कोटा हम कैसे ओवर अंडर नहीं राइटली यूटिलाइज कर सकते, बिकॉज मेनी पेरेंट्स आरंट अवेयर ऑफ दैट.
स्पोर्ट्स कोटा तो की बात तो मैं करूँगी, लेकिन वन थिंग आई लाइक टू टेल यू अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स एंड दैट इज़ येस यू आर राइट. आपका बेटा फुटबॉल, ही इज़ अ फ्रीक, फुटबॉल फ्रीक. अब शायद इंडिया में फुटबॉल का इतना
अभी नहीं,
स्कोप ना हो, अभी ना हो, टुमारो हो सकता है. तो अगर नहीं है तो स्पोर्ट्स में आज, पहले तो ये था कि इफ यू वर अ प्लेयर यू हैड टू बी अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन,
करेक्ट,
ओके, और नहीं हुआ तो फिर फिनिश.
राइट.
Today the careers around sports are so huge and so many. You could be a sports analyst, you could be a sports commentator, you could be a sports marketer, you could be in sports management, very very big field,
Correct.
very very big field.
Right.
अगर आप combine करते हो sports with psychology, you could be a sports psychologist. You know, there is, you if you combine it with medicine, you could be a sports physiotherapist.
Yes.
You know, they require, अगर
Yes.
injury sport फील्ड के ऊपर
Sports
हुई
का वो
तो
अलग
आपको
ही है, right?
फटाफट you have to get that
Yes.
player back on his feet.
Yeah.
So you have to, you know, that's a specialist field. You could be a sports motivator,
Yes.
counselor, sports counselor.
Correct.
You know, so there are so many areas. And then
Around.
esports, which is going to be a very big thing.
Esports?
Esports, sports that are played, which you watch on television.
Oh, okay, all
yes,
right.
which are only
Electronic.
for television.
Yes, yes,
you know,
yes.
and gaming.
Yes.
You know, designing games around football, around cricket,
Correct.
around whatever. So can you imagine? इतने सारे फील्ड्स हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप सिर्फ, और ऑफ कोर्स स्पोर्ट्स कोचिंग, दैट्स अनदर वेरी
That's
बिग
another,
वन.
yes, yes.
You know, so so many things are there that you can do.
Correct.
So many
Right.
things.
Right. But what about
There is an
yeah.
acute shortage of sports teachers
Yeah.
in schools,
Yes.
for instance.
Yes.
मिल ही नहीं रहे.
मिल ही
You
नहीं
know,
रहे. Yeah.
every school has to have a sports
Yes,
teacher, or
yes.
2 sports teacher, depending on the size of the
Right.
school. 4 sports teachers, and you could be doing that.
Yes.
You know. So you could be taking adventure camps, you could be doing small, you know, like आपका बेटा भी जा रहा होगा फुटबॉल एकेडमी में,
Correct.
है ना, तो ऐसी कितनी अब एकेडमीज हैं,
Right.
वो आप रन कर सकते हो, उसमें आप काम कर सकते हो. So that is one. When it comes to sports quotas, different universities have different criteria. For instance, in Delhi University, if you want to apply under the sports quota, you have to go to the undergraduate portal for Delhi University and sign up for that. Then उसमें दो चीज़ चाहिए. The criteria on which you will be taken, your certificates and your trials. You have to
All
sign up for
right.
trials and for your
Oh.
certificates. Trials now constitute 75% weightage,
Okay.
and certificates now constitute 25% weightage. तो पहले अलग होता था कि it was only certificates,
Yes.
और now it's trials. आप क्योंकि certificate आप
अब तो,
forge करा के
yeah,
भी ले
कुछ
लो,
भी
कुछ
कर
भी
लो,
ले
yeah,
लो.
yeah,
तो
yeah.
now it's trials and this thing. And then If you're an exceptional player and you do well, you'll get preferred. So अगर आपको सरकारी कॉलेज में जाना है तब तो ये कोटा की बात आती है, नहीं तो बाकी जगहों में
Private में do they consider sports? No, they don't. They really don't consider.
No, they don't really consider. लेकिन if you're an ace player, an ace
Why
golfer
would they
or
not want to
something,
have you?
and they have उस college का है एक cricket team या this thing team, yes, that's an additional factor. Certainly.
Now, another important thing which I think starts from the beginning for a child is, you know, in our country, I don't know about other countries, at least in our country, we choose the school first before the board.
Before the
Board.
Ah.
How do you see that?
How do I see that? I don't know, it's not an easy answer, but I would look at many things. IB boards जो हैं, IB, जिसका आजकल everyone's wanting to go to IB,
Yes,
IB.
IB.
It's a good board. As a method of study, very nice, very interesting. But very tough. It's not easy. तो very often क्या होता है, मैंने तो बहुत सुना है, 10वीं तक बच्चा badly करता है, तो school is not giving him science, school is not giving him this, that, commerce with maths, तो I am putting my son in IB. अरे अगर वो 10वीं यहाँ नहीं कर पाया तो वो 11वीं और 12वीं वहाँ कैसे करे, सवाल नहीं उठता. Their system is very tough, it's very difficult to score. And you know, भेड़ चाल को देखकर दोनों पेरेंट्स भी एंड एवरी स्कूल, आप यहाँ से राजस्थान ड्राइव करें या यहाँ से हरियाणा जाएं तो एवरी फ्यू यार्ड्स यू विल सी एन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल.
Yes.
हाँ, बोर्ड लगा होगा इंटरनेशनल.
Right.
हाँ, तो दे हैव साइंड अप फॉर IB और IGCSE फलाना, ठीक ना. नाउ IB का जो बोर्ड है, that requires teachers trained in the IB system, which is it's a fairly unique system, so it requires that kind of training, several hours of training, etc. अब वो टीचर्स तो अवेलेबल नहीं है, एंड द स्कूल IB सिस्टम में जो अच्छी रियली गुड IB स्कूल्स है, दे रिक्वायर इंटरनेशनल फैकल्टी. Means there should be teachers not just from your city or your country, there should be people from other countries as well to give you that exposure.
Right.
Okay, that happens in 5-7 IB schools in India.
Yeah.
Not everyone.
Otherwise, yes.
वो वही CBSE के टीचर को लेके उनको पोतापाती करके IB टीचर बना देते हैं, you know, and then they can charge you the fees and they can charge you. So वो that is number one. Also ये IB का course is pretty tough, and not every student who is enrolled in IB gets and manages to get an IB diploma. Now if you do not get that IB diploma, आपको तो कॉलेज में एडमिशन ही नहीं मिलेगा, फिर क्या करोगे? So it is not for average or weak students, number one. That you have to keep in mind. Number two, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका बच्चा डॉक्टर बने या इंजीनियर बने, डॉक्टर के लिए तो आप इंडिया में स्टडी करेंगे,
Right.
क्योंकि बाहर तो आपको ग्रेजुएशन के बाद मेडिसिन आप स्टडी करेंगे. तो अगर आप एंड इट कॉस्ट, इट्स ब्लडी एक्सपेंसिव, सो यू विल टीच मेडिसिन इन इंडिया. नाउ हमारी जो मेडिकल एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम है नीट, इट्स बेस्ड ऑन द CBSE करिकुलम.
Yes.
यू नो, सो एक IB का बच्चा वो कोप नहीं कर पाएगा. You know,
Really?
absolutely. Similarly, हमारी JEE engineering की जो है based on of course it is based on CBSE, both these exams, but of a higher level. But basis तो वही है.
वही है ना, exactly.
उनका तो completely different है.
Yes.
तो फिर आपके वो बच्चे यहाँ नहीं कर पाएंगे. Number two, IB का जो result है वो बहुत लेट आता है.
Right. August, around
हाँ,
August. हाँ.
तब तक हमारे एडमिशन्स ख़त्म हो गए होते हैं, you know. Then not many colleges accept IB के grades. हमारे यहाँ तो percentage आता है, वहाँ तो grades आते हैं. So yes, there is a system in the better universities to sort of equate.
Okay.
कि अगर ये grade है तो इसका मतलब ये band होगा of marks. 10% का,
Right.
from 80 to 90%, 90 to 100%, like that, like that. पर specific
नहीं है.
नहीं. तो ये भी एक है. And
So basically वहाँ adjustment ही चल रही है.
हाँ,
है ना?
या पर लेकिन अगर शुरू से ही आपने अपने बच्चे को IB में डाला है, तो IB में तो ये है कि भाई आपको बाहर ही
भेजना है,
तो
right.
उसके लिए ठीक है, उसके लिए ठीक है, पर इंडिया के लिए मुश्किल
नहीं,
होगा.
मुश्किल
Yes, some of the private colleges have begun to accept what are called IB predictive scores.
Yes.
तो क्योंकि आपका रिजल्ट तो नहीं आया होता है, तो आपकी स्कूल आपको प्रिडिक्टिव स्कोर्स देती है. तो some colleges will accept that. Some even government colleges might accept that. Why will they accept? Because now admission to most courses, say even in a DU, are based on CUET.
Right.
All right. So if they're based on, again, CUET is again based on CBSE.
Right.
You
Again,
know?
yes, yes.
You know, पर तो by the time CUET का result आता है, अगर and for to take CUET or take admission to most colleges under the government, this thing, the marks required at the base are not very high. So the predictive scores may count. बट मोस्टली जो लोग IB में स्टडी करते हैं उनका वो माइंडसेट ही वो होता है कि हमें तो बाहर भेजना है.
What about ICS?
या बाहर जाना है. और ये बच्चों के माइंड में भी एक तरह के ब्रेन वॉशिंग होती है कि इंडिया इज क्रैप एंड एवरीथिंग अब्रॉड इन कोट्स इज वाओ, यू नो, without knowing or without any proof.
So I would come to this, but before that I also need to discuss about ICSE.
Yes.
So how
That is still a little closer
to CBSE.
That is still a little closer to CBSE. Also, the focus is more on writing, developing your writing skills, your analytical skills, etc. So that is that's very, and ICSE is very close to CBSE. In fact, there's very little gap between them. It's just that a lot of the boarding schools have the ICSE board, and otherwise CBSE is the wider one. But then there are also state boards. You have Punjab State Board, Delhi State Board, every state board.
Every state
तो वो भी है, यूपी का स्टेट बोर्ड, बिहार का स्टेट बोर्ड.
Right. So now picking up from that conversation, my next question for you is, I know this question cannot be contained, but still I want your opinion, especially around this time when results are out and, children nowadays are, there's a fad of studying abroad. Especially at undergraduate level. How do you see that? What should be the criteria? ऐसा नहीं है कि अच्छा मुझे तो ना बस बाहर ही पढ़ाई करनी है. How can a parent and especially a child, whoever is listening to this interview, should make up their mind that I need to study abroad and not look at my options in India?
Yes. I think इसमें बहुत सारे factors आते हैं, बहुत सारे factors. Number 1 is cost.
Cost, most importantly.
Number 2 is your child स्ट्रेट आउट ऑफ स्कूल. हम लोग इंडियन पेरेंट्स ना हमारे बच्चों को कॉटन वॉल करते हैं, है ना. उनको चाय का प्याला भी, दूध भी उनके टेबल पे आएगा,
और एग्जाम टाइम में तो किंग ही बन जाते हैं. बिल्कुल
तय करेगी, टूथब्रश के ऊपर टूथपेस्ट भी लगा के देगी, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. अब ये बच्चा सडनली आप उसको यू आर थ्रोइंग हिम इनटू अ सिचुएशन वेयर there are going to be all kinds of people, rough, tough, bullies, this, that. What are you going to do? Number 2, now some countries are not safe.
Yes.
And that is a factor you have to keep in mind, especially if you're sending a young child who is not mature, who doesn't know how to handle.
Racism also has peaked.
Absolutely, how to handle herself, himself. You also don't want your children to be brainwashed when they go there. Because they must have an opinion and a stand of their own. Because you can, there is this huge cancel culture over there in the West where they'll cancel you out. If you don't subscribe to a particular philosophy or religious proclivity or leaning, you are cancelled out. You will be ignored. You will not be allowed to participate in debates. You will not be in their elections. You will not be given a role. All this kind of thing happens. So आपको बहुत सोच समझ के करना है. Number 2, it's expensive, especially if you're going to the good these things. In today's knowledge era and knowledge economy, a bachelor's degree is not enough. A bachelor's degree today is equivalent to class 11 and 12 in most parents' time. It's a hygiene factor.
It's the new 11th
करना है, करना है, so that it gives you 3-4 more years to look at yourself, explore and understand yourself, explore the world around you, explore the subjects that you are studying, and then make up your mind कि मुझे किस में specialize करना है. Once you know that, you've done some internships, this, that, and the other, met people in those fields, then you have to go for a specialization. उस वक्त you go
Oh my
anywhere,
God.
go to the
This-
ends of the
well,
world.
I mean, I really want to hug you on what you said right now. This is the most important thing parents need to realize. Can you please reiterate what you said?
भाई आई एम अ लिटिल स्केर्ड टू रीइटरेट बिकॉज देयर आर पेरेंट्स जिन्होंने पहले से ही ठान लिया कि भाई
Oh,
मुझे
that's
तो
okay.
भेजना है बाहर और फिर वो जाके सेटल हो जाएगा तो हम भी जाएंगे उसके पीछे पीछे.
No, I'm talking about the point that you said that your graduation hai,
Yes.
that is your launch pad.
Yes.
You have to, I mean, I don't want you to
Yes.
reiterate that point.
Yes,
That's very
that-
important.
that is
because
just-
as you know, parents को ये लगता है कि बस यहीं से करियर
हाँ,
शुरू हो गया,
हाँ.
यही शुरुआत है, यही अंत है.
कोई
Which is
एंट्री लेवल
not.
जॉब सारे खत्म हो गए हैं, you know,
Right,
fresh
right.
graduates के, whether you're an engineer or a lawyer or anything,
Yes.
so you need specialization.
Yes.
You know, value added this thing for anyone to hire you, because fresher जो काम कर सकता है या कर सकती है वो तो AI चुटकी में करेगा, whether you're a coder or whether you're a lawyer or whether you are anything, you know. So आपको उस फील्ड के स्पेशलाइजेशन में जाना है, और स्पेशलाइजेशन भी तभी चुनिए कि अब क्या रेलेवेंट है. आज आप जो डिसाइड करेंगे और 6 साल बाद क्या होगा,
You never know.
वो
yes.
फील्ड ही नहीं रहेगा. एटलीस्ट बाय द टाइम यू कंप्लीट योर ग्रेजुएशन आप में उतनी मेच्योरिटी और अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ गई होगी,
Right.
यू नो, कि दुनिया कहाँ जा रही है, आपको क्या करना है.
Correct.
जॉब्स आर नॉट नो लॉन्गर 9 to 5.
Yes.
आपको 9 to 9 काम करना है. तो ऐसा क्या काम है जो आप डे आफ्टर डे, वीक आफ्टर वीक, मंथ आफ्टर मंथ, ईयर आफ्टर ईयर करेंगे.
Right.
ऐसा क्या काम है जहाँ ऑल द टाइम नाउ यू हैव टू लर्न एंड रीलर्न एंड लर्न एंड रीलर्न, बिकॉज न्यू थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन एवरी फील्ड. Just because you have graduated from an Ivy League and done a bachelor's, that's not enough. The field of work has changed. So you have to learn
Yes.
that new this thing. आपको AI को अपने साथ लेकर चलना है. All of
Absolutely.
that, you know.
So coming from your diverse experience, knowledge, and understanding of careers, again, it's a broader question, but I would like you to frame it in 3 points. 3 jobs that you think have a lot of scope in the coming years, and 3 that could go obsolete. I mean, you need to focus lesser on those and focus more on these probably skills or jobs.
See, you have to, आप regardless of which field you choose or career you choose, you cannot do without mastering AI. AI that will assist you in your field of work. If you're a designer, it's different. If you're a career counselor, it's different. If you're a media person, it's different. So digital skills and AI skills, ये आपको आने ही चाहिए over and above your
degree.
domain skills.
Yeah.
That is very, very, very important. Also, now पहले in the early stages of AI was replacing routine tasks, mechanical, skill-based routine tasks. है ना, आपको पेचकस लगाना है, आपको ये अकाउंट एडिशन करना है, ये करना है, प्रूफ रीडिंग करना है, वगैरह वगैरह. Now AI has advanced to being able to do cognitive tasks. Cognitive means thinking. जो एक
Thinking.
human being think करता है,
Correct.
वैसे थिंक करना और उससे बेहतर थिंक करना, यू नो. तो इस लेवल पर AI पहुंच चुकी है. बाय द टाइम दे विल ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम वर्क, पता नहीं किस लेवल तक पहुंची होगी, यू नो. सो अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग वगैरह के साइड पे जा रहे हैं, आपका मैथमेटिकल स्किल्स अच्छे होने चाहिए. न्यूमेरिकली यू शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग. डेटा साइंस, because everything, all marketing decisions, medical, all medical discoveries, research, कि टेस्टिंग करना है आपको, कि ये नए ड्रग डिस्कवरीज वगैरह, एवरीथिंग इज बेस्ड ऑन डेटा. ऑलराइट.
Yes, absolutely.
Amazon कौन सा प्रोडक्ट आपको पुश करती है और किसको
Yes,
ऊपर दिखाती है और
algorithm.
किसको
Yeah,
नीचे,
yeah,
बेस्ड
yeah,
ऑन डेटा.
yeah.
Everything is based on. So understanding of analytics, data science, over and above traditional fields, important. Number 2, any field which requires a human touch. You know, अगर आप बीमार हैं तो एक नर्स आकर आपको तसल्ली दे, You don't want a robot to give you an injection.
Exactly.
You know?
Yes, yes.
Or I'm mentally very stressed or distressed or whatever, depressed. I would like to talk to a human counselor, not to an AI chatbot. So, things like that. And as of now, the jobs, if you look at statistics of what jobs are not being affected, things like plumbers, electricians, अगर आपका सिंक क्लॉग हो गया तो रोबोट तो नहीं आएगा ना,
Right.
हाँ, आपको प्लम्बर चाहिए ही चाहिए.
Right.
And these people can demand their paychecks.
Like it happens abroad.
A
right.
software coder may not have a job, because that work AI is doing in a chutki.
Yes.
पर प्लम्बर को तो आपको चक मार के
देना है.
बुलाना ही बुलाना है. And he has the freedom. He is not working for anybody. वो he can आपका call ले सकता है, नहीं ले सकता. He can quote 500 rupees or he can quote 200 rupees or whatever, 1,000 rupees depending on your paying capacity and things
Yes.
like that and his knowledge.
Yes.
तो ये जो skills हैं, तो in the short term it is these skills that will there are many children. हम जब careers की बात करते हैं ना, तो we are only talking about professions and fancy jobs and things like that. पर हमारी जो बाकी की population है, not everyone can go or aspire to those jobs, or they may not be capable of, or they may not have the money for it, or they may not have the inclination. So there are so many of these skill-based jobs that they can look at, which do not require long-term courses, degrees, expensive these things at all. आप 1-2 साल करके you are ready to work. आप ब्यूटिशियन हैं, आप रोबोट से तो मेकअप नहीं करवाएंगे ना,
बिल्कुल.
है ना? तो आपको चाहिए ही चाहिए. You need a hair stylist, you need this thing. So ये जो सारे skill based jobs हैं, many of them, driving may be suspect. Like America में drivers are very very compromised because you have self-driven cars.
Yes.
Some career skills no, but a lot of skills, particularly skills which require a human touch, physiotherapists, occupational
Are there for
therapists, counselors,
good sometimes.
yes, even doctors.
Yes.
The doctors will use AI
Yeah.
and things to make
But
the
AI will not
diagnosis.
use doctors.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So, but
Yeah.
to make the job more efficient and easier, but you need doctors to look at you as a patient, no?
Yes.
Not just scan and this thing and image and tell you. You
In
won't
the
even
end,
trust
the
him.
most important thing, I think the most important, pertinent message that I want you to give to children, results are out, I think most for majority of the boards and classes as well. We all give advice, we all celebrate the 90s, 95, almost touching hundreds. What's your advice for the average, someone who scored 70s to 80s?
If you've got good marks, balle balle, celebrate. Huh? Now you can choose the course of your choice and the college of your choice and you're set. Okay? But you also have a problem of plenty.
Yes.
मार्क्स बहुत बढ़िया आए तो आप ये भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी कर सकते हैं. चूज करना मुश्किल. When you have many options,
Yes.
that's where the problem arises. अगर आपके नहीं आए, तब तो even more you should rejoice. Even more you should rejoice because now आपके मन में कोई set notions नहीं है. You can think afresh, and it is perfectly all right to be confused because आप कहते हो जो टॉपर होता है ना, दे आर वेरी श्योर, मुझे तो एस्ट्रोफिजिस्ट बनना है, मुझे तो फलाना बनना है, ढिकना बनना है. इज नॉट लुकिंग एट एक्स वाइज एनीथिंग एल्स. ये बंदा जो है जिसके इतने बढ़िया नहीं आए, नाउ ही इज ओपन टू बी ओपन कि हाँ मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ. व्हाई डोंट आई लुक एट दिस, आई कुड लुक एट दैट आल्सो. सो यू नो there are many
in
more
disguise,
opportunities. It's a blessing.
absolutely.
It's a blessing. And always remember that you don't need marks to make a mark in your life. They are one factor.
Yes.
You know, one factor. It's what else you bring to the table. You know, your soft skills, your hard skills, your empathy, your vision, you know, how deep your knowledge of the field is. So many other factors, you know, and how you can all work today's teamwork. How do you carry? How do you get on with others? How do you not only take credit for everything yourself and put the blame on others, you know? How do you share knowledge, you know, because share करने से वो बढ़ता है field. So ये सारी जो human qualities have, those will take you very very far.
Yes,
very far.
indeed.
And you leave yourself open at every stage. you can learn new things. And you know, the most wonderful thing today, because the workplace is not looking at degrees, that's just a hygiene factor, they are looking at what skills have you got. तो आपने, you may have studied at the best college, पर आपके पास basic बाकी के other skills नहीं है, other than your domain skills, you're no good. You're no good. And today those courses are available. They are available for free. They are available for peanuts. You know, Coursera के ऊपर you have all these MOOCs platforms like Lynda and Coursera, etc. Google itself offers such fantastic courses starting from class 7. क्लास 7 के बच्चे को क्या करना चाहिए, class 8 to 9, class 9 to 11, 11 to 12, and some 150 plus big multinationals give credit to those courses if you have them on your resume.
Oh.
And they are almost for
Wow.
free. तो आपको करने चाहिए, do them. If you have not done them at school level, do them with your college. क्योंकि कॉलेज का ये जो 3-4 साल है ना, कहाँ निकल जाएगा आपको पता नहीं
Right,
चलेगा.
right.
आज आप confused हैं, perfectly all right. लेकिन by the time you finish your graduation, you should know कहाँ जाना है.
Correct.
वहाँ इतनी confusion करोगे तो नहीं
It'll be
चलेगा.
difficult, yes.
You know, so use your 3-4 years very, very, very intensely, wisely, develop your personality, explore things, go and do job shadowing, internships, whatever. जहाँ आपको कमी लगती है अपने आप में, your speak communication skills, etc., language skills, go and work on it. 3-4 years is a hell of a lot of time.
Yes,
You
yes.
know,
Yeah.
इन्हें कैसे इनिशिएटिव कैसे लेना,
Correct.
अपना फिटनेस के ऊपर ध्यान रखो. Don't just become a couch potato. Don't just sit in the
Very
canteen
important,
and
very
come back home.
yes, yes.
All of this, eat right. You know, I mean, look at the incidence of infantile diabetes, child diabetes in our country. And हमारे जो बच्चे हैं ना, they just don't know how to manage stress. Life is very stressful compared to my times or even yours.
Yes.
And वो ही बंदा सर्वाइव करेगा जो ये
Stress management.
स्ट्रेस को नेविगेट करेगा, अनसर्टेनिटी को नेविगेट करेगा, एम्बिग्विटी को नेविगेट करेगा, चेंज को नेविगेट करेगा, एंड राइट ऑन टॉप ऑफ ऑल ऑफ इट.
Brilliant. I think that was the perfect takeaway. Now, the parting shot, I want you to see, because I think you've been handling both parents and children. For children, you've already given your 2 cents, and I think they were wonderful. I think that's the most valuable advice. What's the need of the day advice you have for parents?
For parents, you should, be a team player with your children.
Okay.
Do not be arraigned on the opposite side of the table,
Oh, wow.
assuming a high horse, saying, अच्छा so and so के बेटे का तो इतना आया, तुमने क्या सोचा है, तुमने क्या सोचा है. No, आपके पास वक्त है. आप you know many other parents who are doing things or different things, or their children who are doing different things, है ना. तो ये नेटवर्किंग जो आपका है,
Right.
योर ग्रुप्स, योर पार्ट ऑफ रोटरी, लायंस, जॉब में भी आपके कॉलीग्स वगैरह. तो अगर आपका बेटा या बेटी आके कहता है कि भाई मुझे एक्स फलाना बनना है, यूट्यूबर बनना है या कुछ बनना है, तो डोंट जस्ट निक्स हिम लाइक दैट. यू नो, आस्क अदर पेरेंट्स कि भाई कोई जानता है किसी का बेटा भतीजा है ये जो कर रहा है, एंड देन उससे बात करो कि उसके प्रोज क्या हैं, कॉन्स क्या है, आपके बेटे को मिलवाओ, बेटी को मिलवाओ. सो दैट नेटवर्किंग पार्ट आप करो. जो लेग वर्क का काम है, भागना दौड़ना, इधर से ये फॉर्म लाना, ये करना, वो बच्चों से करो.
Oh, yes.
यू नो, तो ये
Team.
नेटवर्क एंड लेग वर्क, ये दोनों का अगर कॉम्बिनेशन हो, एंड यू हैव टू बी अ टीम.
Yes.
You know, instead of making that child feel insecure right at the outset, you have to give him that courage. कोई नहीं बेटा फेल हो जाए, ये कोर्स ना हो, कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश तुझे करनी है.
Right.
And give it your best shot.
Correct.
और तुम्हें ऐसा कुछ करना है, एक जिंदगी है, तो उसमें what is it that you are giving, आपको जो इतना कुछ मिला है, that's a gift from God.
Correct.
आप क्या बनते हो, that is your gift
Your
to God.
gift. Yes.
And to this country.
Yes.
You know, so what are you doing to make the life, you are luckier and more fortunate than 99% of your counterparts. What are you going to do through your career or your job or your work that will make their life easier. Or, you know, whether it's for the environment, whether it's to make things easy, to study, to what, it doesn't
Whatever.
matter.
Brilliant.
That makes your life worthwhile.
Thank you so much, Parveen ji, for sparing your valuable time and discussing such important aspects, information, and insights with us. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Absolutely.